Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Samsung Watch 5 to an iPhone. First, it's important to understand that Samsung Galaxy Watch devices are primarily designed to work seamlessly with Android smartphones. While you might find some unofficial methods or limited functionalities, a direct and fully supported connection to an iPhone is not officially provided by Samsung. This means you might encounter significant limitations in features and performance. It's crucial to understand the significant compatibility limitations you'll face. Features like Samsung Pay, electrocardiogram, and blood pressure monitoring, which are key selling points of the Watch 5, will simply not work with an iPhone. Even basic notifications and fitness tracking might be unreliable or require complex third-party workarounds. The essential Samsung wearable application, which manages most watch functions, is not available on the iOS platform. While there isn't an official method, some users have explored unofficial workarounds. These often involve using specific third-party applications to push basic notifications to the watch. However, these methods are not supported by Samsung and come with significant risks, including potential warranty voiding and data security concerns. The functionality achieved through these means will be severely restricted, offering only a fraction of the watch's capabilities. Given these limitations, our strong recommendation is to pair your Samsung Watch 5 with an Android smartphone to unlock its full potential and enjoy all its features. If you are an iPhone user and desire a smartwatch with seamless integration and a comprehensive feature set, an Apple Watch is undoubtedly the best alternative. It offers unparalleled compatibility and a rich ecosystem within the iOS environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.